Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to watch lives on Facebook. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the third option down below. And now click on the button live or section live at the top of the screen. And here you will be able to browse among these results. So these are all live videos. So if you are interested in any of these, click on the relevant one. You can follow these artists or people who are living, and if you click on this three dots button, you can save the video to your watch list to watch it later. You can also rate your experience here, and if you are interested in these kinds of videos, tap on the show more button. However, if you want to see less videos of that kind, tap on the show less button. So you will see fewer videos from that particular user of the application. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.